Good morning, my friends. Today we were writing about of chapter number 2, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, history of class 9th. So let's begin to write the notes for the chapter 7. So let's start it. And here we have the age of a social change. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a democratic change in the way in which society was structured. Not everyone in Europe, however, wanted to complete a transformation. Sorry. Third point. Some were conservatives, while other were liberals or radicals who were conservatives. They registered changes. After the revolution, they started haptic changes, provided it was slow and had linked and respected the who were liberal. They wanted a nation which tolerated all religions. They argued for a elected parliamentary government subject to law interpreted by a well-trained judiciary that was independent of rulers and officials. They were not Democrats who were radical. Sorry, who were radical. They wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of country's population. They disliked concentration of property in hands of a few, not the expense of private property. Industrial society and social changes. This was the time of economic and society change. Men, women, and children were used in factories for low wages. Most of the factory owners were open liberals and radicals, and they felt that workers' efforts must be encouraged. The coming of socialism to Europe. Socialists were against private property. They had different visions of the future. Some of believed in progressive Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels added the industrial society was capitalist. Okay. Support for socialism by the 1817 socialist idea spread through Europe. Workers in England and Germany began forming associations to fight for better living and worker working conditions. The Russian Revolution. In 1914, Nicholas II ruled Russian Empire. The Russian Empire included a territory around Moscow, current-day Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, part of Poland, Ukraine, and Belarus. Economy and society during Russian Empire. About 85% of the Russian Empire population earned living their living for agriculture. The industry was limited in number. Worker was divided into groups, but they did unlike to strike work when they were testified. Peasant and no respect for nobility, very unlike the French peasant. Russian peasants were they the only peasant community which polled their land and their community divided. So, so socialism in Russia. All political parties were illegal in Russia before 1914. In 1900, the Russian Socialist Democratic Liberal Labor Party was formed. It struggled to give peasants their right. Our land they belong no to noble. As land was divided among peasants periodically, and it was felt that peasants are not workers would be the main source of the revolution. But Lenin did not agree. So हम यहाँ पर हैं, आपको पता नहीं हो तो मैं बता देता हूँ. ये यहाँ पर था इस जगह पे. But Lenin did not agree with these as he felt the peasants were not on social group. The party was divided into Bolshevik. पार्टी बोल्शेविक में डिवाइड थी एंड मेंशेविक्स. लेनियन लीड बोल्शेविक ग्रुप. Her turbulent time, the 1905 revolution. The liberals wanted to end of the authority of the Tsar. इसको जार मतलब टी है जब भी जार पढ़ा जाता है जार. So there a turbulent time, the 1905 revolution. Liberals wanted to end of the authority of the Tsar. इसको जार पढ़ा जाता है. सॉरी मैंने दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. आई एम सॉरी. They work today demanding a constitution. During the revolution of 1905 bloody Sunday. आप bloody Sunday के बारे में पढ़ते हो. In 1904 prices of ancestral goods rose so quickly that real wages declined by 20%. And for a member of the Petilio iron work were diminished. There was a call for industrial action. Over 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike, demanding a reduce in working hour and increase in wages. The provision was attacked by the police and Cossacks. मैं बताता हूँ उसको ब्लडी संडे क्यों कहा जाता है. बिकॉज ओवर 100 वर्कर 100 वर्कर ने उस टाइम पे मतलब मार दिए गए, किल्ड कर दिए गए. स्ट्राइक टू प्लेस एज अ रिएक्शन. People demanded a constituent assembly. The Tsar allowed to creation of an elected consultative parliament or Duma. The Tsar diminished the first Duma within 75 days and accompanied the election of the second Duma. Tsar constituted the third Duma with conservatives politician. Conservative politician. The First World War and the Russian Empire. In Russia, the First World War was initially very popular, but later the support grew thin. Anti-German sentiment ran high. Russian armies lost bloody in German and Austria. ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं है, ऑस्ट्रिया है। एग्जाम में पूछा जाए तो ऑस्ट्रिया लिखना। The war also affected the industry. There was labor shortage. By 1916, railway line began to break down. The small workshop were closed down. There was storage of grain and hence of bread. The February Revolution in Petrograd events in the winter of 1917, Petrograd was green. There was a food storage in the quarter of worker. On 22nd for 22nd February, a lockout took place at a factory. Workers of 50 other factories joined in Sampeth. Women also led a participant in a strike. This came to be called International Women's Day. The government imposed a curfew. On the 24th and 25th, the government called out the cavalry and police to keep an eye on them. On 25 February, the government suspended the Duma and politicians spoke ascent these measures. On 27 February, the police headquarters were ransackered. Cavalry was called out again. And यहाँ पर है, आपको पता नहीं हो तो यहाँ इस जगह पे an officer was shot at the back of barracks. आप इस वीडियो को स्टॉप करके लिखते जाइए, ये याद करते जाइए मेरे साथ साथ। रेजिस्मेंट बहुत काम आने वाले नोट्स है। एंड देयर आर रेजिमेंट maintained voting to join the executive worker graded to form a solvent of the council. This was the Petrograd Solvent. A delegation went to meet the Tsar. Military commanders advised him to abdicate. On 2nd March, the Tsar abdicated. Soviet leader and Duma leader formed a provisional government to run the country. अब इफेक्ट्स पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हम। सो लेट्स बिगिन द इफेक्ट्स restriction on public meeting and association were removed. Soviets were set up everywhere. In individual area, factory communities were formed, which began questioning the way industrialists ran their factories. Soldier communities were formed in the army. The provincial government saw its power declining and Bolshevik influence grow. Therefore, it decided to make strict measures against the spreading discontents. The restrictions sorry, restraint impact by the worker to run factories and attracted leaders. Peasant and the society revolution leader fast for a redistribution of land community performed a peasant siege land between July and September 1917. The Revolution of October 1917 इवेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं 1917 के ऑन मेरे पास पीसी है यार अभी मोबाइल का नहीं है ऑन 16 October 1917 Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet and Bolshevik party to agree to a socialist seizure of power. A military revolutionary committee was appointed by the Soviet to organize seizure. Uprising began on 24th October. Prime Minister Kerensky left the city to summon troops. Pro-government troops were sent to take over telephone and telegraph offices and protect the winter palaces. In response, military revolution committee ordered to seize government offices and protect the winter palace. In response, military revolution committee ordered to seize government officials and arrest the ministers. The Aurora ship sailed the winter palaces. Other ships took over strategic point. By night, the city had been taken over and minister had surrounded मतलब वो जैसे हाथ ऊपर कर लेते हैं ना जैसे मतलब surrounded हाँ. All Russian Congress of Soviet in Petrograd approved the Bolshevik action. By December, the Bolshevik controlled the Moscow Petrograd area. नीचे कर और effects हैं. Affects most industry and banks were nationalized in November 1917. Second point, the land were declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of nobility. Third point, use of old title was banned. Fourth point, new uniform were designed for the army and officers. Fourth point, Russia became a one-party state. 5 point, trade unions were kept under party control. The Civil War. When the Bolshevik ordered land redistribution, the Russian army began to break up. No Bolshevik socialist liberals and supporters of orthodoxy commanded the Bolshevik upswing. They were supported by the French, American, British and Japanese troops. All these fought a war with the Bolshevik, making a socialist society. The Bolshevik kept industries and banks nationalized during the Civil War. Rapid construction and industrialization started, and extent schooling system developed. Sultanate and cultivate farming. Stalin believed that rich peasant and threats stopped supply to create storage of grains. Hence, cultivation was the need of the hour. Those farmers who resti- restricted cul- collectivization was punished, deport- deported, and exiled. So last point, global influence. In many countries, communist parties were formed by the time of outbreak of Second World War. The USSR had given socialism a global face and world stir. By the end of 20th century, the international reputation of the USSR, a socialist country, had declined. नहीं पाए मैं तुम्हारे नहीं। सो मेरा अब आपको मेरा चैनल बढ़िया पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए। मैं बहुत मेहनत लगती है वीडियो बनाने में, आप जानते ही हैं। तो आज की वीडियो वैसे भी बहुत लंबी हो गई है। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस माई वीडियो। प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई वीडियो प्लीज़। थैंक यू एवरीवन।